What's going on, everybody? I want to knock out a quick web review. This would be my first one. Just got this Swiss Army Knives Minichamp from Amazon today. So this thing is awesome. I don't know why this thing isn't more popular than it is, as it is about the handiest thing I've ever come across, which is why I got it. So it's got the scissors, it's got the knife, no big surprises there, tweezers. Let's see, it's got another blade, Warncliffe blade right here, ruler / mini flat tip, good old nail file, and this little scooper tool, little spoon tool, which is pretty cool too. Over here, little mini Phillips. If you've got kids with toys that always require batteries and you're always having to search through your junk drawer for a mini Phillips, you can always have one in your pocket along with a cap lifter for the good times. And then over here, this web review might be perilous. Over here we have a ballpoint pen for all your note-taking needs. I think that's pretty cool. And it goes in, locks out, you know. It's pretty cool. So, there is your Minichamp. And this thing is awesome. And, I almost forgot. The orange peeler, as Swiss Army Knives likes to call it. Focus. Alright. Well, you know what that's great for. Again, if you have kids, or if you're getting those bubble wrap packages that are such a pain to open, you always end up cutting yourself or hurting yourself some kind of way trying to get them out. This little thing will zip them right on open. And that's another reason why I bought it. One of the main reasons why I bought it is because it has this little tool right there. It's got a sharpened edge right there, and it's got a very sharpened edge right there for those pull cuts. And of course, if you like peeling oranges, it'll work for that too. So there you go, Minichamp. See if I can close this thing up without slicing myself open. Don't leak on the counter. Alright. Skill. There we go. Check that bad boy out. And it is tiny. Tiny. Let's see. Standard little household spoon. So, yeah. Very small. About twice the size as those other little guys. The ones that everybody has with the scissors, the file, and a knife. So, yeah. Get one.